Hello and welcome to Motor Match Stockport. My name's Daniel and I'm pleased to present you with this incredible Ford Fiesta 1.0T Turbo EcoBoost ST-Line. It's currently done 11,712 miles and it was recently serviced 3,280 miles ago. It's finished in the colour Shadow Black, and if you'd like more information, please give us a call on 0161 885 0358. Now let's take a look around the vehicle here. Starting at the front, you do have your halogen projector headlights with a very stylish LED daytime running lights there that really complement the vehicle throughout the day. Around here to the side, you have your optional extra 18-inch alloy wheels, your ST-Line badging there on the side. And you also have your rear privacy glass, another optional extra that complements the vehicle nicely. Here inside at the rear, you'll find your gorgeous sporty interior with a nice textured cloth there in the centre and the contrasting red stitching. You do have ice fix points on the outer seat, so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle and be sure it's safely secured in for peace of mind. And overall, you do have a nice amount of space here for rear passengers to travel comfortably. Heading around to the rear of the vehicle now, you have your Fiesta badge in there on the tailgate. Now let's go ahead and open up the boot here. You do have a very nice amount of boot space. You can fit plenty in there. There's some storage compartments to the right. You even have some tethering points so you can tie any loads down if you need to, if you don't want things to move around freely in the vehicle. Up top, you will find a handle allowing you to easily close the tailgate. Moving around now, let's go ahead and take a look inside here up front in the vehicle. Now it has recently had a service, so you won't have to worry about servicing the vehicle anytime soon. You do have your leather multifunction steering wheel there with the contrasting red stitching. Your front seats with the sporty design continuing, you do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat, so you can easily find the perfect driving position and be sure you're comfortable in this vehicle. Now that we've had a look around, I'm now going to take you inside and show you some of the key features that this Ford Fiesta ST-Line has to offer. So hopping in and starting on the driver's door, you will find your electric mirror adjustments that include folding. This is part of the city pack that the vehicle comes with. You can keep the mirrors nice and protected when manoeuvring around town or when parking up in tighter spaces. They fold in nicely, keeping them tucked in. On the dashboard here, you have your automatic headlight switch, so when set to auto, you don't have to worry about turning them on. They will turn on when necessary, allowing you to keep focused on the road and not lose concentration. To the right here, you do have your wiper stalk. Moving on to the right of the steering wheel, you do have your controls for changing track and station and answering and ending phone calls. You also have the controls for the digital display here in between the dials and the instrument cluster. You can access all different features here, such as your driver assist. The vehicle does come equipped with the lane departure warning. You can have this set to alert and even aid you in steering correctly into the lane. The steering wheel vibrates, letting you know that you're drifting out of your lane. You have your hill start assist as well. You can access different menus such as your compass for the navigation, your audio and your trip computer. To the left here, you have your volume controls for the infotainment system, and you also have a speed limiter here you can set up very nicely. It's a great way of maintaining a certain speed without having to fiddle around with the accelerator. You can maintain the speed very easily, but you can override this if necessary by pushing the accelerator straight to the floor. You have your indicator stalk there. And at the end of it, you have your lane keep assist button for turning that on and off. Moving to the center of the dashboard now, you do have your infotainment screen. On this, you can access your audio with DAB, FM and AM radio available to you. With your DAB, you do have nice clear audio quality as it's digital, so if you love listening to the radio, you can enjoy it nice and clearly. And it's very easy to find and tune your favorite stations into the vehicle with a list of all different stations available to you that you can go through to tune in. You can save multiple presets as well. Alternatively, you can connect your own source of audio with USB and Bluetooth, and of course with your Bluetooth you can safely make hands-free phone calls while on the go, so you can keep up to date with whatever you need to, and it also ensures you don't miss any important phone calls. The vehicle does come equipped with the navigation, so you can be sure you're never lost and can take this vehicle to all new destinations with ease. It's very nice, clear, easy to follow guidance. You can change the view using the plus and minus buttons there to zoom in and out. You can even change between 2D and 3D effects on the map. Now you do have your mobile apps which you can connect up with USB and Bluetooth, and the vehicle does come equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which will bring your phone's interface onto the infotainment screen. It allows you to safely make hands-free phone calls and text using voice command, and you can even use compatible apps as well, such as your music streaming servicing, navigation applications and even apps like WhatsApp and Teams. The vehicle does come equipped with rear parking sensors, part of the city pack again. Give you added confidence when reverse parking. They'll give you audible guidance on how close you are to objects. making parking much more easier, especially in tighter spaces. Moving on now, and below here you do have your air conditioning, which is very straightforward to use. You have your fan speed switch to the left there, your temperature at the right, and in the centre you'll find your buttons for the direction of airflow. You do have front and rear heated windscreens, which are perfect to have on those cold frosty days. You can defrost or demist the windscreens very easily, give you great visibility. It's all very easy to use with a nice minimalistic look there on the dashboard. Below there you have a storage compartment with your USB, and here behind the manual gear selector you'll find your eco mode. You have your traction control as well as your start stop on and off system. Thanks for watching this video on the Ford Fiesta 1.0T Turbo EcoBoost ST-Line. This vehicle is part of the Motor Match promise that includes a minimum 30-day or 1,000-mile warranty, whichever is sooner. You do have RAC extended warranty of up to 3 years available, along with flexible finance packages available as well. All Motor Match vehicles are subject to a £150 admin fee, which covers the provenance check. For a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358.